Nauta, your Metro Denver real estate agent, and I am here in Parker at the Inspiration Development, and we are going to check out the Oxford Floorplan by Lennar Homes. Lennar has some beautiful homes that are anticipated to close under the $700,000 mark, which is incredible for the beautiful quality, the mountain views, and the 55+ clubhouse that Inspiration offers. And this is the Oxford Floorplan in the Masters Collection by Lennar Homes, and it's a single-family ranch home with an extended deck that's great for entertaining, and the front and the backyard landscaping is included in this price, which is phenomenal. And with this home, you are looking at around 1,700 square feet, and it has 3 beds and 2 bathrooms. And the floor plan is really expansive with the gourmet kitchen and the upgraded quartz countertops. And if you need extra space, there is a 9-foot unfinished basement to add extra square footage. And there is availability with Lennar to build and choose your next home. Whether you are looking at March, April, May, or June move-in, there are options available. If you are interested in this builder and this floor plan, reach out now and let's start the conversation of building your new home at Inspiration. And if you have any questions, have a development or floor plan that you're interested in seeing, feel free to contact me and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.